I just automated my entire YouTube channel using Google Veo 3. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. And I'm also going to show you the results of it and some other alternatives if you want to increase your viewers or you want to get better video generation. So without any further ado, let us get to it. So here, if you would be able to see that this is the whole thing I built on n8n on YouTube automation. It is not a very complex workflow because in this video, I'm not going to show you some very complex workflow or some very great AI automation, right? This is a very simple automation of YouTube. And the sole purpose of this video is to show you that if I use Google Veo 3 in video generation, what all errors I am facing and how good it is able to generate my videos for particular use cases, because Google Veo 3 is a new model of video generation, and it is the best model out there for video generation, which according to people, and many people are actually using this in their day-to-day lives. So this is the workflow behind it, and if I'll just explain to you in short what is actually happening. What is happening is that every day at noon it is triggering this workflow. It is starting every day so 1 day gap, and every day at 12 p.m. and then it is operating this AI agent. And this AI agent, what it is doing is, this AI agent has two messages. First, a system message, and second, a user message. You would be able to see this is the system message and this is the user's message. So basically, I won't get into much detail that what all is there. It is actually telling it to make a YouTube short in a vertical format, because what is happening here is that Google Veo 3 can only generate in 16:9 formatting. Yeah, right. So if I want to make shorts for my YouTube channel or any other purpose, I would not be able to directly get a 9:16 video and vertical video. I only get landscape video. So to actually get a vertical video, I have to add multiple times in the prompt that I want a vertical video and give me 9:16 formatting. And I'm going to show you the result of it in just a minute. So after this AI agent, what is actually doing is that it has Google Sheets. It has connected to a Google Sheet which has a list of all the ideas it has already generated in the past. So it has an access that for generating a new idea, it is not similar with the existing ones, right? And after generating a new idea, it is updating in this existing ideas list. After that, it is going through this AI transform. This is just making it in a readable format, its output, and the output is going to this HTTP request of Google. Now what it is doing is that it is actually uploading the video which I got, the video generation prompt which I get from this AI agent. So this AI agent, I did not mention it before, it is actually giving me 4 things. First is a title of the video, which is the format of the idea, the title. Secondly is the rough description of what the video is about. Thirdly is the video description, that what I would post when I'm posting the video, what will post the description, the YouTube description, which I'll post alongside the video for the viewers. And fourthly, the most important thing is the video generation prompt, which will be used to send to Google to actually make the video, right? So I feel that I can explain it better with an example. So if I take one example of a video generation prompt, so this was one of the executions, and you can see that what it outputted was a title, a rough description, a video description, and a video generation prompt. And this video generation prompt is highly detailed, so that while generating the video, it does not make any error in formatting the text or any images or like that. So it is in the format exactly as wanted. So what this HTTP request is doing is it is actually sending the prompt, this video generation prompt. If you can see, it is sending that prompt to AI, to Google Veo 3, and that Google Veo 3 is generating the video, not in n8n. It is not actually in n8n. The Google Veo 3 is not acting in n8n. It has its own cloud. It is acting in Google's cloud. What we are just doing, we are sending a request that, okay, for example, Google Veo 3 is a person, right? And we want to generate videos from that person. So we are just sending a request that, okay, please, Google Veo 3, please generate a video for me regarding this topic, and this is this prompt. So I gave this a prompt. So this is the instruction, right? And this, to acknowledge my request, it gave me a video ID. So you can see this is the video ID which I get. After that, I wait for 30 seconds because it approximately takes 30 seconds to a 1 minute time to actually generate the video. And after that, I send again a request to get that, okay, is the video done or not, right? The status of the video. Because if I send the request, I would need to know that, right? Google Veo 3 would have to tell me that, okay, the video is complete, and then I can actually get the video. So this is I send the video to Google Veo 3, it is actually making, and then I'm using this HTTP request. HTTP request is nothing but a way to ask or a way to connect two platforms, right? So if you can see, it is running 4 times, and why it is running 4 times, I'll explain in just a second. So when the video is done, you can see that done is true. So when the video is done, what it is giving me, it is giving me a video URL. This is the video URL I am getting, right? So still it is not giving me the video. It is giving me an acknowledgement that the video is ready, and to get the video further, it is giving me this URL. So what is the use of this URL? I can use this URL in this third HTTP request to get the video, right? So 3 steps is required. So this video is in a binary format, you can see, and the file name is data. What does binary formatting means? It is just a way to code any file, right? So if the file can be an image, a video, or anything like that. So binary is just a way to code a file, to encode a file. And when I'm getting this data, this is actually in a binary data, not in an MP4 data. You can see that the MIME type, the type of video inside the binary, is MP4. So I'm not going to go into the technical right now. So if I just see the video, what it has given me, you can see that this is the video I'm getting. So you can see that this video is not good, right? If I talk about the standards of YouTube and everything like that, the first thing you will be able to see in this is that the text is not right. The text has a lot of errors, and it is highly visible in this. Why is that? Is there something wrong with the prompt which I gave it? If I look back at the prompt which I gave the Google Veo 3, you can see that there is nothing wrong in the prompt. See, AI predict the future of dating apps in 2025. So nothing is wrong with the text I have given it. Nothing is wrong with the text that the AI agent has given the Google Veo 3. Then still, why is it making this text error? Why is it not able to display? If I show the video again, you can see that the text is not clear at all. Why is that? This is because Google Veo 3 is a video generation tool, and it generates multiple images, if I say, which are stacked together in form of video. That this is how the whole video thing works. It is actually a group of images which are displayed very fast. So Google Veo 3 is doing nothing but generating images and clipping them together. And when it is generating the whole video, what it is happening is that while displaying the text, it is making errors. It is not able to display the text properly because it is not generating the text from, it is generating the text from scratch and not from any future reference, right? When you talk to an LLM, when you talk to an AI like ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini, right? What happens? It generates the text based on what it is trained for and also what you have said in the past. But here, it does not have any data like that. It is just a video generation tool, and while video generation, that is why it is making so much errors in small icons or small text. So I hope you understand right now that why it is not able to generate the text properly and why the small icons are not actually very visually appealing. And to add further, you can see that this video is in a 16:9 format. It is not actually in a 9:16 formatting. But as in the video generation prompt, we said to give us a vertical video, it has given the video content in a vertical format. But the entire video is still in a landscape formatting. So this was the whole workflow I made for YouTube automation. After this video is being generated, I am actually uploading it to YouTube. I have connected my YouTube account, and this description, the video description which the AI agent initially outputted, I'm inputting that in the description. And this is the title which the AI agent outputted. And I am uploading with it the video which was generated by Google Veo 3. This is the whole workflow, very simple. Now let us come to the main thing. Is it actually worthwhile to do this? To answer that question, I am going to take reference of pricing. Now if I show you the Google website of Google Veo 3, you will be able to see that this Veo 3, if I go to this, you can see that for audio with video with audio, because Google Veo 3 is generating audio alongside video, right? A new type of video generation. So if I see this Google Veo 3 pricing, I would be able to see that it is costing me around $0.75 per second. and I'm generating videos of 8 seconds. It can only generate up to 8-second video, and for 8-second video it will approximately take $6. So $6 is, if I convert it into Indian rupees, it would be approximately around 500 to 550 rupees. So for 8-second video, 550 rupees generated by AI, and a quality like this, right? If the video quality was good, if the text was amazing, and it was visually appealing, 550 rupees is not much for an engaging short video. However, you just saw that the text and the video was not so much visually appealing, even if my prompt was highly efficient. If my prompt would be related to some only images, for example, a lion and tiger fighting in a grassland or something like that, no text or no small icons, the video would be pretty amazing. And many platforms, many video generation tools are currently able to do that. Right now, it is not a very big deal. I can generate ASMR content. I think that went viral a few months ago, generating ASMR content using video generation and then automating the channel using it. So it is not a very big deal to generate videos without any text or small icons. However, in this video generation, you saw that I tried using text and small icons as well, which made the video generation quite typical, and that is why it was making so much errors. So 550 rupees or approximately $6 per video for 8 seconds only is not justified according to me. This is the faster model of Veo 3, and you can see that this is approximately $0.4, still highly expensive. And if I go to the limits of it, how much I can use the Google Veo 3 generation, you will be able to see that I can generate only 10 videos per day or two videos per minute, right? So even if I have a pro plan of Google, I will only be able to generate 10 videos per day, not more than that. And one more drawback, if this was not enough, that I can only use Google Veo 3 if I have the pro subscription of Google. So even if I get the Google One Pro subscription or the API Gemini Pro subscription, I have to get a pro subscription anyway to use Google Veo 3. If I'm using it on cloud also, in Google's platform, I still have to get the pro subscription. This is a highly big drawback for Google Veo 3, that it does not have a free preview. So if I go to my YouTube channel about the videos I have generated already with Google Veo 3, you would be able to see that I generated some videos, and none of the videos have perfect text alignment. The videos are good, they are pretty good, they have right audio quality, they have right video quality, it is good. However, the text is not right, it is not visually appealing, and it is not that much engaging, which you would expect it to do with a highly efficient prompt, right? You can see that the first videos I generated had a landscape mode. Then when I corrected my prompt, then only I was able to get a vertical format of the video. So till now, I think you would have understood the limitations, the pricing, and the highly inefficiency of Google Veo 3 model. So now the question arises, should you use Google Veo 3 in your business, or if you are a YouTube creator, is it actually worthwhile for you to use Google Veo 3? The answer is that it depends on your personal usage. So right now my usage was generating images, if in this case memes, and displaying it for 8 seconds with audio. And in that meme, it had an image and text as well. So with text, it is doing errors. If as a YouTube creator, I had a job of only making some ASMR type videos, or in which there is not a role of small icons or text, I would be able to perfectly generate amazing videos using Google Veo 3. There is no doubt about that. So if you are a YouTube creator who wants to generate videos which get a lot of views, I would not recommend Google Veo 3 because it does not have a lot of functionalities. It can only generate a specific type of videos. And if you are not a YouTube creator, if you have a business, does this video generation has actually a value for you? Turns out it has a lot of value for you. Google Veo 3 is the only tool right now which is able to generate video alongside audio. And if you use it in your business for only 8-second videos about some tutorials or like that, you would not be able to do it, because in 8 seconds, you want to generate a tutorial for your business, for your clients, customers, something like that. Google Veo 3 is not a good platform for you. So does this mean that you cannot do video generation? You cannot generate 30-second, 45-second video if you want using AI completely automated? The answer is that you can actually use it. Google Veo 3 is one of the video generation tools. However, when I search on Google, I get many platform providers who can generate 30-second to 45-second video using API calls only. So if I want to generate shorts, I can generate 30-second to 45-second videos as well with good quality text, good quality images, good quality videos using these tools which are provided by some platform providers. They use of course the main platform tool like Google, OpenAI and like that. They use them in the background. However, these platform providers who are enabling us to make 30-second to 45-second video using API calls have multiple functionalities which enable their videos to actually become a lot better. Are you getting my point? So if you are a business owner and you want to generate videos, it is absolutely possible for you to generate them using multiple tools available on Google. For if you want to generate one video or two videos like that without using some workflow like this, you can go to the website and actually use that website only. However, if you want it on autopilot, I have tried it and I have made for my clients stuff with API calls to those websites, and getting that videos 30-second and 45-second video is actually possible. And I think it is the best use case for the video, for clients, for customer, to increase customer retention, to increase the client conversion, or for your team as well. If you want to generate tutorial videos for 1 minute, you would not have to record every time your face, right? There's an AI who has your AI avatar, right? Your video, so for example, in this video I'm speaking, right, in real time. However, imagine that in my place the AI was speaking the same thing in the same language, in the same format, in the same wordings, and perfectly like me, in the same video, same clothes. This is what AI avatar is. This is a new type of video generation. I would not say that it has reached its peak, because it still has a lot of work to do. But using AI avatars, using Google Veo 3's generation, using multiple tools on Google, it is surely possible to generate a blockbuster video for yourself using AI of approximately 1 minute to 2 minutes as well. One more tidbit I would like to add. Currently, as if we go on to cost, the cost of video generation is a lot, right? I told you, for 8-second video, it was costing me approximately $6 or 550 rupees. It is not justified if I want to use it as a hobby. If I had a business, if I was a business owner and I had to generate multiple videos per day, and each video had to earn me a lot of value. So if I earned more than 550 rupees or more than $6 per video, it would be highly justified for me to make that video, right? So this was it for today's video. I hope you found the content in this video valuable and understood that Google Veo 3 is a great platform for video generation, and there are a lot of video generation platforms out there. However, it is important to know for what use case you are generating the video for, and it is highly imperative for you to know the pricing for each of these models as well. And it is not currently at the very best, but I think that in a few months it will reach there as well, with decreasing cost of using models and increasing quality, right? Please comment in the comment section below if you have any feedback related to this video, or you have any idea for any AI agent I can make. If you want to connect with me, please message me on shivanshanand0110@gmail.com. Thank you and have a wealthy life ahead.